Hello, colleague teachers. This is an application or a game written to help teachers and students learn algebraic expression or algebraic equation with ease. And as you can see, these various buttons you see here, when you click each and every one, it has its function. When you see the first one, it says start learning. Click to watch video on how to solve equation in a can. And we also have click to watch a video on how to solve equation in English. And we also have click to learn how to solve equation. We also have click to learn how to solve equation. Then you come to quiz section. So let's click to watch the video in a can. When you click on this one, the video pops up and starts
Nuanom
telling you how to solve. So
akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ
let's watch.
wei yɛ application a mede Python atwerɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi akyerɛ yɛn nuanom a ɛwɔ JHS anaa yɛn mma nom a ɛwɔ JHS 1 kɔpem JHS 3 algebraic expression sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a wɔbɛte ase a ɛnyɛ den mma wɔn. Nti wohwɛ application yi a mayɛ a yɛn nyinaa anim sɛ adwempɔ a ɛwɔ algebraic expression mu ne sɛ yɛbɛma nea ɛwɔ benkum so ne nifa so ayɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ. Nti wohwɛ image yi a number yi a ɛwɔ ha left side is ɛyɛ 10 anaa 10 ɛna right side nso yɛ 2. Nti wohwɛ board no nso a wokan board no a wobɛhu 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 saa nso na ɛwɔ. Nti sɛ yɛyi board no baako efi benkum a sɛ meyi bɔɔl no baako afi benkum a wohu sɛ ɛsiane sɛ nifa no dɔɔso nti no
Okay, so the full video is on TikTok. You can watch the full video. But this is I'm showing you how the game goes. So you can go home and come to start watching video in English. This one is the English version of the can one you watch. Then you can come to click to learn. It takes you to this side. It says simple steps in solving algebraic equation. 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. When you click, it tells you the steps you need to do, meaning you have to move the 4, and when it crosses the equal sign, it becomes what? Negative. So 3x is equal to 19 minus 4. When you go, it takes it subtracts from it and becomes 15. And we divide both sides by 3 because we want x. So when you click, you see the division works here. And then it will remain only x. And 3 divided by 15 will give us the value. That's it here. So x is equal to what? 5. So 3 will go into 15, 5. So this is the steps which the system will show you how to solve. Let's go home and come to now this one takes us to a lot of things we can learn about algebraic expression, what is an algebraic expression. Then we see various things we can learn from it. You can all see these things. We can see this, we can see this, we can see this. There are a whole lot, okay? There are a whole lot to learn about algebraic expression. And to make the video short, let's go to start a quiz. So when we click start a quiz, it takes us to this side. And when you come to the quiz section, if somebody has played a game already, that person's name will be there, okay? And the class the person play. So for you to play, you need to reset the game so that you can also play. So you click on reset and then say, are you sure you want to reset or input? Say yes, and then everything will be gone. Now let's type a name here we want to use. Let's say Kofi Jan. And the operation we will select, if we want to select addition, when you select addition, addition will be shown here. You select multiplication, multiplication will be shown here. You select subtraction, it will be shown here. Division, it will show. Random will generate all the 4 operations. So let's play addition. And the level 2, if you want to play easy, when you select easy, it will display here. When you select medium, it will display here. When you select hard, it will display here. So let's go for easy. And the class, if you forget to select the class and you click start game, this time will tell you please select your class. So let's take it up. We want to play for class 6. Then when you select 6, it will display. If you go for JHS2, it also displays here. Okay, so we go for class 6, or let's go for JHS1. Yeah, then we'll click start game. So when we click start game, the system generates the question for us, and the name that we use to register will also come here, Kofijan. So solve for x. 5x plus 1 is equal to 11. So now the idea we got from the system, that when we get it, like, we should move this one and become, what is positive, it become what, negative, and we will subtract it to become 10. Then we divide this, so 5 become what, go into 10, what, 2. So we get the answer 2. Then we say check answer, and when you check your answer and it's correct, you get a mark here, and if it is wrong or incorrect, you get another mark here. So let's check our answer. You see, we get it, and the system will tell you the answer. The system will blink the answer here for you to see the correct answer, so that you see that, oh, okay, this is how or this was the answer supposed to be. Then we continue. Then this one, 1x plus 4, when we subtract this one, it's left with what, 8. So our answer 8. Yeah, so the system will show us the answer. Okay, then after showing us the answer, then it will come to and say, congratulations, Kofi Jan, you did amazing. Correct answer 8, wrong answer 2. You can either click to play again, back home, exit game, or export your results to Excel. Okay, so we can go back home and then we exit game. Okay, so this how this one also work, or this how this game work. Thank you for watching.